In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search better in Notion. If you've ever felt like your Notion workspace is getting harder to navigate as it grows, this is going to help a lot. Search is one of the fastest ways to find exactly what you need, but only if you know how to use it well. With a few simple techniques, you can save time, cut down on scrolling, and pull up the right page much more quickly. The first thing you want to do is open Quick Find. On Windows, press Ctrl and P. And on Mac, press Command and P. This brings up Notion's search window right away, so you don't have to click around through sidebars or page trees. It's one of the most useful shortcuts to remember, especially if you work in a large workspace with lots of nested pages and databases. Once the search window is open, take advantage of the filters at the top. This is where search becomes much more precise. Instead of searching everything all at once, you can narrow your results based on what you already know. For example, you can filter by who created the page, by date, or by TeamSpace. That's especially helpful when your search term is broad and could appear in many places. T here is also a search title-only option, which is great when you want to ignore text buried deep inside page content and focus only on page titles. If you already have a good idea of what the page is called, this can dramatically clean up your results. Another useful trick is refining your search with quotation marks. If you are looking for a specific title or an exact phrase, type your keywords in quotes. Like meeting notes, this tells Notion to search for that exact phrase instead of treating each word separately. It's a simple adjustment, but it makes a big difference when common words are returning too many unrelated matches. Finally, take a look at the sorting option above your results and set it to relevance. This helps surface the pages that matter most, including ones you access often, so the most useful results are more likely to appear near the top. That means less hunting and faster access to the information you use regularly. When you combine Quick Find, smart filters, exact phrase, searching, and relevance sorting, Notion search becomes much more powerful and much less frustrating. Practice these habits a few times, and they'll quickly become part of your everyday workflow.